Today we're going to start up this Sachs-Dolmar 102 chainsaw. I finally got it working earlier today. For the first time in 15 years it's been run, and it's missing the oil plug right here, so I can't run it for very long, and I can't really cut wood with it yet. But I want to show you how to get this thing started up. This here is the chain brake. Lift it up. This is the shorting switch. Put it up to the 1 position. This is the choke. You put it up. Okay, push button, throttle lever. Release the throttle. Release the button. Okay, this time it held. Okay, so now you're ready. It should have enough gas to make it idle, and we're going to start it up. Okay, started, so let's push the choke back down and start it up again.